As the title say, Mr. Majnu, boys will be boys. Have you ever seen a real Majnu in your life?
I guess I have. And but boys will be boys. What to do?
Flings and girls. Does this movie have any premarital sex kind of thing or something like that?
Ho 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 ho. Actually, see.
Coming to Instagram, we have recently seen a post. You have mentioned KL Rahul as your bro.
Oh God.
Have you done that only because to chop off the rumors that you are dating KL Rahul?
See, the thing with Rahul is I met him only once because he was my. And I bumped into him in Bombay somewhere at a screening, and then we decided to catch up. And that whole thing just gone blown out of proportion. I really don't know why because it was.
You have acted with both Naga Chaitanya and Akhil, two brothers. So, how was the difference between both of the brothers?
Oh God, both of them are like they are just brought up in a really nice way. I think that comes from the household, the family.
So, this is a Playboy film. So, do you have a kissing scene in this film?
How can I?
So, in film industry, that is a moment going on, Me Too movement, and now it is slowly dying. So, what do you think about it, and have you ever faced it, or what do you want to comment about it?
Don't let people use and abuse, and it's great to shame them in public if they have done it.
బాలీవుడ్లో మున్నా మైకేల్తో ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చి ఆ తర్వాత టాలీవుడ్లో బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ సినిమాలతో దూసుకెళ్ళిపోతున్న నిధి అగర్వాల్ ఇవాళ మనతో ఉంది మాట్లాడదాం. హలో నిధి.
Hi.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
Thank you so much.
సో మెనీ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
Thank you so much.
సో హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good, very good. How are you?
సూపర్ రాకింగ్.
Running on no sleep, but that's great. Yeah.
So, as the title say, Mr. Majnu, boys will be boys. Have you ever seen a real Majnu in your life?
I guess I have, you know. And but boys will be boys. What to do?
So, would you like to share any of such instances?
You actually watch the film. There are some scenes that I could connect to. There is one interval scene that I really liked. You know, the dialogues in that scene, and that scene is for all the girls out there. I'm sure they will love it.
Okay.
So please, like, look out for that scene.
So, do this movie have any kind of message?
I think, in a way, it does. The main, I think, plus points of the film or the thing that you'll take back is the love story. Plus, there's a lot of family emotions, family background that's going on. It's not just the both of them, you know, Nikki and Vicky. The mother, father, babai, brother, sister. There are lots of people who are involved and who are very important. And yeah, I think it's a family emotion. Plus, everyone will connect to one character. So you might take. I've taken back a huge message from the film. So, which is not boys will be boys. That is not the message I've taken back. Yeah, but I've taken back a huge message.
Yeah, so this movie is, I mean, with the title and with the tagline, we can see that it is of a playboy.
Yes.
So playboys, matlab, we know what they will do. So,
Like the trailer says, his girls, his flings, his dates, but until he meets the right one.
yeah, so talking about flings and girls, does this movie have any premarital sex kind of thing or something like that?
Oh.
Revolving around that?
Oh ho 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 ho. Actually, see, my character Nikki, from the day she enters his life, it's different. Things are very different. So I don't know. That you will have to ask Mr. Majnu himself. Yeah. Nikki doesn't know about that. Yeah. She's assuming it's there, but she doesn't know.
Okay, so society is changing. Everybody is like quite normal now, and they are. So, what kind of a person are you?
Me, okay. I actually think. So I was just thinking today that I'm so happy that Venki, the director, he saw me how Nikki is, because this is how I feel I see myself. People don't see me like this. They see me through what they know of me or my Instagram or as a dancer or as maybe glamorous, but that's actually, I do those things, but I'm not that. Like, this is more who I am, you know. I'm not so cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm not.
But your Instagram posts are so cool.
Instagram, oh god, yes.
Coming to Instagram, we have recently seen a post. You have mentioned KL Rahul as your bro.
Oh god, you have seen that.
Yeah, I've seen that. And have you done that only because to chop off the rumors that you are dating KL Rahul?
See, the thing with Rahul is I met him only once because he was my friend from Bangalore. So I've known him for many, many years. And I bumped into him in Bombay somewhere at a screening. And then we decided to catch up. And that whole thing just gone blown out of proportion. I really don't know why, because it was just one, not even dinner, it was a coffee.
Okay.
It was not even a dinner, you know. So just one coffee got blown out of proportion so much. It's crazy. But no, that was just, I just call everyone bro.
Oh.
Like, bro, dude, yeah, dude, no, dude, yeah, bro. Like girls, or even, yeah.
So what do you want to say? Bro doesn't mean like a real brother, or
Yeah, bro doesn't mean a real brother. But yeah, but in his case, no, there's absolutely.
so you're not dating KL Rahul.
No, I'm definitely not dating him.
So he's just your friend?
Yeah.
Yes.
I haven't spoken to him in a long time though, so yeah, I guess.
Okay, so through this interview, if you want to say any message to KL Rahul, what would you?
Nothing, just take care. That's it. Take care, all the best.
Yeah, you have acted with both Naga Chaitanya and Akhil, two brothers. So how was the difference between both of the brothers?
Oh god, both of them are like fire and water, you know.
Who is fire and who is water?
I think Akhil is more like fire, you know, Chaitanya is more like water. They're very, very different people. They are just brought up in a really nice way. I think that comes from the household, the family, that they're well mannered. So that's something that's common in both of them. But as people, they're very different people. I think they look at life itself in a very, very different way. And the energies, their vibe, everything is totally different.
Have you ever happened to visit their home or Nagarjuna Garu and Amla Garu?
I have met Nag, so for sure, yes, I have. Amla ma'am, no, I haven't as yet. Yeah.
So you have been seeing Telugu industry from past few years. So how do you think how is the approach from Tollywood and how different is Bollywood?
I think both industries are growing now. Like Bollywood is growing a lot in terms of the content, you know. They're experimenting with really edgy films and really like wacky things. I think that's working a lot now in Hindi films. And in Telugu, I think they're expanding and growing in terms of the reach. Like the movies are doing so well. They are doing like as much as Hindi films and even more sometimes depending on the film. But yeah, I think just the reach is so much nowadays, and the Telugu fans, they go for the same movie like multiple times. So I think in terms of fans and reach and everything, it's really both are growing. Yeah.
And you are an amazing dancer
Thank you so much.
and you dance so well.
Thank you.
Stuck.
Thank you. That's very sweet of you. Though in this film, I don't really have any dancing. I asked Venki many, many times to give me dancing, but he said no. But I'm very happy. I'm actually happy. It's okay, I'll put a video on Instagram, what's there, to just get that dancing thing out of me. But I'm actually happy I don't have much dancing.
So Akhil has to dance so much in the film. So how do you rate Akhil as a dancer on a scale of 10?
10. No. He's a really good dancer because so many times I've seen him do steps without him rehearsing them, you know, which is not always the easiest thing to do. And even in the Mr. Majnu title track, I think he's done a lot of waves and a lot of things which is really tough to do actually. And he pulls it off really well. He's a good dancer, but I noticed this from his first film itself. When he did that step on the water and everything, I was like, my God, this guy is a good dancer. Yeah. I wanted to actually dance with him, but no, there's nothing in this film. Yeah.
Akhil
He's dancing though. Yeah.
has complimented you that you have picked up Telugu so much better. So మాతో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతారా? మాట్లాడుకుందామా? సో ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ మొత్తం తెలుగులో కంటిన్యూ చేద్దామా?
నువ్వు చెప్పు, నువ్వు చెప్తానే నాకు అర్థం అవుతుంది, బట్ నేను రాంగ్, తప్పు Tappu cheptanu actually, that's the problem. Like with cool people it's okay, but what if people get offended?
I will definitely not get offended.
At least I'm trying, you know, that's a positive thing. So I hope not. But yeah, so in the sentence, half is right, half is wrong. Like the other day, I was trying to say nen chala. I was trying to say I laughed a lot. So instead of saying nen chala navanu, I said nen chala yeducha, which is the opposite. So, you know, I'm still learning, which is why I'm speaking in opposites and everything. Yeah.
So, how did you manage to learn Telugu so fast?
I really don't know. I haven't formally kept a teacher for Telugu anything, but once I started working in Telugu films, I started watching a lot of Telugu films, you know. I started listening to their music. So I think by watching movies, listening to music, and also I have a lot of dialogues in this film. So just I think that this doing this film is enough to learn Telugu because there's just so much to say, and so every word that I used, I would decode it because that's the only way I would understand it. So whatever words I have used, I know what they mean. Yeah.
So now you have to give me a promise, do a promise that you will not say that you have to, after I ask a question, do watch the movie. No.
Okay.
I need the answer, okay?
I will try and be smart.
Yeah. So this is a Playboy film. So do you have a kissing scene in this film?
How can I? It's a film about love. Now, if
No. You promised me. You can't break the promise.
sorry, you're very sweet. Your hairstyle is very cool. I really want to be honest, but how? I don't think I can. Like, I'll get killed. My directors.
Say yes or no. That's it. Yes or no.
I don't remember.
Aha! Smart. Wow, very smart. How can we? How can we even trust that you have forgotten about your own movie? That too, your second film.
But I forget. My memory is horrible. I forget everything.
About the film.
Yes, yes. Now, once the film is done, I'm like, ha, chalo.
Very smart.
I'm really sorry, but our director is joining us today after so many days. And if he gets angry.
So we will take a S because you did not say no.
Cha, this is like the boys' logic. She doesn't say anything means yes.
So Venki Atluri, have you seen Toli Prema?
Of course, I have seen Toli Prema. I watched it also before I got this film, and I thought it was really, really nice. The dialogues I loved. I really loved the freshness that the film came with. And these are Venki's strengths, you know. He's so good with dialogues. He's so sensitive with his dialogues, even from the trailer. Like, I love the dialogues in the movie. And he's very contemporary but also traditional. You know, he's like a young age modern person, but he's also very, very traditional in his thinking in some ways, which actually matches me a lot. And he really loves his actors. Yeah, he's really given me like great things to do in this movie. Yeah, I never thought I could do them, but all because of him.
Even before starting this movie, going on sets or in the first schedule itself, there were rumors that Venki Atluri and Akhil are having what do you say? They are having clashes and they are not.
I heard about that, but that is, you know, so our set. There's me, Akhil, Venki, George sir, the DP.
Creative differences. They were having creative differences.
There's Satish sir, who's the chief, and so the five of us, we started off in London. We started shooting the film in London, so we didn't really shoot anything here. So we all bonded like really well there. We would have lunch together, dinner together, and we became like a family, you know. And because I think we all are of a similar age group and thinking and mindset, we got along really well. So no, that's not true at all.
What do you think?
They are really always, Venki is like Tom and Jerry with everyone. Even me and Venki are Tom and Jerry, you know. But we can't do without Venki, like even for 5 minutes on set, like, where's Venki, where's Venki, where's Venki?
Do you remember any such funny instances?
So many times he's taken my phone and ran.
Okay.
Because of him, I've kept a password on my phone. I never had one before I started this film.
Okay. So where is your phone right now?
Someone has it. One of these people have it.
So can
Now I have a password. Yeah.
Can you write?
Messaged one or two people also from my phone, by the way. Yeah, which has got me into some trouble and some explanations. But yeah, oh God.
So can you take your phone right now and tell which is the last dial number?
Last dial number would be. I don't have my phone right now. Who has my phone? I think these guys have it. Who would it be? But honestly, it would be a very boring because for some coordination I must have called someone or the other. I think I called Raj, my boy, last
Okay.
because I came from the airport, so to come and get me. So yeah, I called him last.
Okay, now we are going to see.
Let's see.
We are going to check she's saying the truth or not.
Oh, so I called the physiotherapist. Yeah, I called the physiotherapist because I've got a catch.
Yeah.
So I want to sort it out because I need to wear heels.
Oh, okay, okay. So tell us about how you got the catch and what you did in Tirupati.
Tirupati, and we did the most amazing darshan. And so I was climbing the stairs. I really thought I was very fit and I could easily climb it, but it was not easy at all. It was very tough, but I'm so happy that we did it.
So you are more of a devotional person or a spiritual person?
Spiritual.
Spiritual.
But I definitely do believe in God. I mean, a normal girl coming from nowhere who wanted to be an actor is here, so definitely there's some magic, there's some blessings, has to be.
So in film industry there is a movement going on, Me Too movement, and now it is slowly dying. So what do you think about it, and have you ever faced it, or what do you want to comment about it?
Yeah, so I've never faced it, but it's very unfortunate for the people who have faced it, and I'm so happy that girls and boys out there, it happens to boys as well, are coming out and talking about it, which is why social media like Twitter and Instagram is a great place where everyone has a voice, and everyone's voice is heard. So I think it's great. Don't let people use and abuse, and it's great to shame them in public if they have done it, but also at the same time the meaning of the word harassment should be kept in mind. Like, you can't call a relationship gone bad harassment, or you can't try to take, people have ulterior motives sometimes, but if it has happened, then most definitely that person should be called out and punished for it.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you. This is
All
so
the
much
very
fun.
best. Oh,
Most controversial, but so much fun.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie reviews,
Interviews.
latest updates,
Subscribe IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.